Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 61. We are on mid-year review. So let's take a look at Activity 8. Pete is talking to his aunt, Carol, about her job. What does she say? Read the conversation and choose the best answer. Write a letter from A to H for each answer. You do not need to use all the letters. There is one example. So this is an example given. So Pete asked, how long have you been a vet, Aunt Carol? So the answer given is for about 12 years. So we cross the C. So I already reprint it from the bottom. So I bring it up here. So we have C. So we just cross it so that we left others in order to fill in the blanks here. So next, question 1, Pete asks, have you ever done a different job? So have you ever? So this is questioning. So the answer would be yes, I have, or no, I haven't. So from this A to H, the answers, obviously, it is E. So number 1 is E. We write in the middle. Yes, I have. I used to work in a factory. And next we go to number 2. Pete asks again, so how long have you worked at the animal clinic? So how long? So it's either you will need to see the preposition for or since. So for since, it is basically referred to the exact moment, and then for is for a period of time. So number 2, the answer, as you can see here, so the answer is A. So I've worked there since I left university. So number 2 is A. We write in the middle again. And number 3, Pete asks again, is it an interesting job? So the answer is either yes, it is, or no, it isn't. So from A to H, so the answer is F here. So number 3 is F. Yes, it is. I've never felt bored. And number 4, Pete asked, what were you doing when I called you this morning? So the answer, as you can see here, we need to change you from you, this pronoun here, to I. And then the auxiliary word were will change to was because we use I. So I was. So this is continuous tense, past continuous tense. So you need to check the answer. I was, ing. So from here, if you notice carefully, so the answer should be B. I was checking a cat's teeth. So B is the answer. I was checking a cat's teeth. So next, the last question. So Pete asks again, so can I visit you at the clinic one day? So the answer obviously is yes, of course. So number 5 is G. Yes, of course. You'll learn a lot there. So this is apostrophe double L. So this is you will. So the answer is G. So we didn't use the answer D and H. So make sure you check the answer again. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 61. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.